My name is Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. Today's recipe is razor clams. I'm going to toast the panko, and I will use this after the razor clams are done. But the fresher the razor clam, the shorter this is out. So when it sticks out long, there's a little age on it. So you want them as short as possible. All right, so now we're going to take some extra virgin olive oil and saute a little garlic, just to give it a little bit of flavor. You want the garlic to get a little brown. You don't want it too brown. Too brown, it'll become too bitter. I'm going to place the clams right on top of the olive oil and garlic. I'm going to cover it. And this will probably be ready in about 3 to 4 minutes. I think we're ready. We're going to separate the shells, and we're going to cut them in bite-sized pieces. If you don't cut them like this, it will be a little too chewy. And put the whole thing back in the shell. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this broth and just put it on top. Like that. Now we're going to take the toasted panko. It's got a nice little crunch to it. We're ready to go.